Hello and welcome to today's session for athletic recovery and muscle repair. This guided sauna breathwork is designed to support physical recovery, muscle repair, and deep nervous system restoration after training or movement. As the heat increases circulation and softens the body, you'll be guided through slow nasal breathing and focused awareness to help deliver oxygen to tired muscles, to release built-up tension and support the body's natural recovery process. This is a place for you to slow down, let the work settle, and allow your body to restore. So take this moment now to get comfortable within the sauna. Just adjusting the body in any way that you need to until you feel comfortable. And before we begin, I want you to just acknowledge the work that you've put in with your training, with your workouts. And just acknowledging what you've accomplished with your body, how you've put your body through its paces. And just knowing that now it's time to recover and to give back to the body. So today we're going to be breathing in and out through the nose. We're going to be just breathing in a very simple way to a count of 4 in, hold for 7, and 8 out to begin with. Okay, this is going to allow our nervous system to switch into a recovery status. And then after that, we're just going to let our breathing return to normal, in and out through the nose. So the focus today is really going to be on big diaphragmatic breaths. So thinking about breathing all the way into the belly. So really expanding the inhale and feeling the stomach rise on the inhale and fall on the exhale. So let's just do a few breaths to sync up. So take a nice deep breath in through the nose, placing a hand on the stomach, and out through the nose, feeling the stomach fall. I want you to do 2 more like that. Last one. And we're going to go for an inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Into the belly 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, big breath 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Long, slow exhale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. In 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Carry on breathing in and out through the nose, allowing yourself to just settle back into your natural rhythm of breathing. Immediately you should be feeling a little bit more relaxed. Maybe the body's a little bit heavier. Maybe everything's just settled down a little bit more. Your heart rate should have come down. And breathing in this way, these beautiful deep belly breaths, we're sending all the oxygen into the body, into the blood, and feeding your muscles the nutrients that they need to recover. We're just going to go and scan through the body now, keeping an eye out for any areas of tension, anything that feels a little bit heavy or sore from your training. So I want you to just put your awareness onto your legs now. Can you feel anything in your quads? Do your calves feel tight? Maybe there's a bit of twitching. Maybe they're sore. And I want you to just focus on them as you inhale, sending some oxygen, sending some warmth there. And as you exhale, just allowing everything to soften and loosen. Knowing that the sauna's warmth is working with you here. It's dilating your blood vessels, delivering fresh oxygen and nutrients to your sore muscles. So you can picture that happening, that your blood flow is like a river washing through the muscle fibers and clearing out any waste products like the lactic acid. And once you feel like your legs are relaxed, you can bring your awareness onto your glutes maybe, or your lower back. And keep breathing into these areas. Moving up the spine, up into your shoulders, your neck, around the front into the chest, the arms, your core. Allowing everything to just soften. Allowing your muscles really just to relax and receive this beautiful oxygen, this beautiful heat to aid in the recovery. Just allow the warmth to ease any pain, ease any discomfort. And I want you to notice that maybe you can just feel a gentle pulsing or warmth in the muscles as the heat starts to get everything flowing and the circulation improving, and the breath is just delivering all that oxygen everywhere it needs to be. And just know that this is your body actively healing. And just know that the heat and this calm state that your body is now in from the breathwork are triggering an anti-inflammatory response in your body, like an off switch for the alarm. And that this heat exposure is proven to help prevent excessive soreness and to help for your muscles to bounce back quicker. Maybe you just need to roll your neck out, roll the shoulders. Maybe you want to reach down and touch your toes, just stretching out the hamstrings a little bit. Just keep breathing, just bringing in some gentle movement now. And as we start to wrap up, just get any last movements out in any way that feels good for you in this moment, that feels right for your body. And let's together just take one final deep breath into the nose and a long slow sigh out the mouth. And I want you to just notice how your body's feeling now. Maybe it feels a little bit lighter, a little bit less sore. Maybe your mind is a bit calmer, a bit more confident that your body is on the mend and that it's healing. And I want you to just remember that your recovery is just as important as your training, and that you've really done something great for your body today by helping it to repair, so that when you get back into your next session, you're coming back stronger, in a better space, both physically and mentally. Just have one last nice big stretch, just shake it out. As we wrap up today's session, thank you for joining. I hope your body is feeling a little bit better now, a bit less sore, and that you're a little bit more ready for your next session. Have a beautiful day further, and I will see you on another day. Bye.